What's up everyone? It's Dave Gordon from Both Lighting USA, and today we're going to talk about our brand new ColorStorm CO2 gun. This has been one of the most popular effects recently for high-end weddings and high-energy weddings, and we finally got the product. Of course, right now I have it connected to a CO2 tank. There is a quick connect right here, and we've got our nozzle with a safety. You do have a safety that comes down to keep it from shooting. That's this red lever right up here. And on the back of it, you've got a on and off button for the LED part of it, and you've got a DC jack for charging it. So this, of course, it doesn't have any specific DMX or anything. It just does a cool RGB pattern, but that's more than enough, of course, because the main effect is shooting right out of it. And this thing shoots really well and really fast. Let me give you an overview and a couple of quick safety tips. And here's an example of us shooting off the ColorStorm. We'll start over here on the side of the ColorStorm. You see that it does have this quick connect for the hose right here, and the hose is included. This is an 11-foot hose that is going over to our 20-pound CO2 tank right here. Now take a look. This is really important because this is a frame or a stand or a holder for the CO2 tank. These things are very, very dangerous because if they fall over and they hit this valve, it is really possible for the air to shoot out the top of the valve and turn this thing into a literal torpedo because of the pressure that's coming out of the top. So it's really important to be super safe. Always have a holder so that there is absolutely no chance of this thing falling over. You're also going to get included this little wrench right here. You want to put the wrench onto the hose before you put the hose on, then you can hand tighten it, and you can finally bring this over to fully tighten it. Now the process goes like this. Make sure that your gas is completely off. Get this over here, tighten that up all the way, and then connect the quick connect over on the hose side before you turn on the gas. If you by chance turn on the gas without plugging in the quick connect, the pressure is so high that the quick connect won't actually connect itself. There needs to be no pressure in the tube in order to get the quick connect to perfectly lock in. Once you have everything tight here and tight over here, that is when you can open up your gas, take off the safety. If you had the safety on, you can turn on your switch right back here, and you're ready to operate. Well, there you have it, folks. This is one of the most popular add-ons that you could have as part of your arsenal of enhancements for your events. If you have those high-end weddings, those fantastic high-energy parties, this is what you need. Go head over to our website, bothlightingusa.com, and order yours today. It's the ColorStorm CO2.